Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Natalie. Today I have for you another day in my life kind of vlog. Actually a few days in one, because I'll be sharing a few apartment updates that have been going on, which I'm really excited about because I am so close to finally being fully done and finally being able to share an apartment tour, like a full furnished apartment tour, which I know so many of you guys have been waiting for. And I'll be finally sharing every link in one place, that way you guys can go back to reference it. So yeah, a few changes have been made around the apartment. We finally put up the frames and painted the entrance slash kitchen. So with that being said, let's roll the clip. Frames are up. It's
Job
like
well done.
so bright, but Eric finally decided to put the frames up after a month of me having it. But we're going to be painting this next. So this is what it's looking like right now. There's a bunch of stains, especially in the bottom, and then there's also jean stains, and then this above, like the apartment just came with it, so I don't know what to do about that. I asked them to fix it and they just, I guess they can't, but you can't really see it, so whatever. What's bothering me is the fact that the jeans ruined that, and then, you know, just the typical counter situation with the shoes. And then we're also going to be changing this one, so the gray is on its way out. By the way, this is the paint that I ended up getting. Like you guys remember, I got this like type of brown, which is rustic tobacco. And then after we got it, I realized that it was too dark. So we went back and they lightened it for us. I think it's this one now. I forgot exactly how many. I think this is what that is. I don't know what that means though. So if you guys are interested in the color after the end result, this is what she added. She added like more white to it to make it this color. Now, fun fact about Home Depot, which I didn't know, but someone commented in the video that I explained that I purchased this paint and I didn't like the color after I purchased it. So after you buy a paint, you can return it to Home Depot or Lowe's, but they can lighten it or darken it for you. So we ended up going for a lighter shade of that brown. Alright, so excuse the noise because I'm doing laundry right now, but this is what it looks like. It came out a little bit darker than I expected, but I mean, realistically speaking, is a lot lighter than what I originally got it. So we did go to Home Depot to lighten the paint, the original paint that we got, which I'll link down below for you guys. But yeah, after having it for a few days, I think almost actually 2 weeks, I personally really like the color now. So that's what the entrance looks like. And then we also change this right here to the same color. I feel like it looks really well with the decoration and furniture around the apartment. I mean, in my personal opinion, it looks better than the gray that we had prior. Plus this paint and the finish is way better on like cleaning it and stuff, because the flat finish that we have around the apartment makes it impossible to clean. Now for the frames, this is what it looks like. Again, like I mentioned, I'm doing laundry, so I have to fold that, but I am obsessed with these frames. So happy with how everything is turning out. We do need to choose some pictures to put up there, but I am now going to declutter and organize and spring clean my closet because it's in desperate need, and I want to switch my winter clothes from being the center to the spring being in the center. So let me show you guys. All right, before I show you guys, just keep in mind that it's going to look 100 times better once we're done, but this is what it's currently looking like and what we're working with. So a few closet updates actually, well, just one. Eric ended up installing these acrylic shelves, which will have some of my perfumes and some handbags. I do need to declutter the perfume collection and just like organize it better, obviously, but I've been waiting for today to spring clean my closet. Normally in my old spring cleaning videos, you guys know that I had a much smaller closet, so I could only have my seasons inside of my closet, and then, like, for example, if it's summer, I would have my winter clothes away, and then for the winter I would bring out my winter clothes and put my summer and spring clothes away. But I do want to move things around and make things a little bit more appealing and also accessible for the current season, which is going to be spring and summer. So I'm going to move my winter from here and change the summer to like either straight ahead or right here. Yeah, as I do all that, I am going to just declutter and organize and get rid of things. I normally like to make 3 piles. So I've mentioned before the way that I like to spring clean and declutter my closet, which is making a pile for donation, a pile for either selling or giving to friends and family, and then a pile that I'm going to keep. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now, and start off by getting absolutely everything out of the closet because I like to start with a blank canvas. I'm going to get everything out and start decluttering on top of my bed and know what I want to keep and what I don't want to keep, and also, you know, situate the situation. All of this is actually clean, it's just on the floor because I went away for the weekend. And then I'm also going to be organizing these drawers, which, I mean, that one is pretty organized, but the rest aren't. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so this is the current progress. I've decluttered all of this and have divided it by section and color as well. These are some things that I'm going to be donating / getting rid of. I have some hangers here, my coats I have hanging here, and then this is the situation with the closet.
Like a lonely man, without me, you're not like everyone. That's he's why I choose you. You're the one who can make me happy. Oh, you know you're in love when you come for the sea, because reality is finally better than dreams.
All right, finally, we are done. This is what the closet is currently looking like. A lot more organized. I feel like I still need to figure out a few things here. Like, for example, I want to get rid of these baskets and maybe buy another mom dresser and put it there and then get more storage. I also want to get a rug right here, but for now I ended up moving the summer clothes to this side. I have my summer tops right here, some blazers, long sleeves. I feel like it looks like a hot mess because of the patterns, but I like to divide it by color and like types of clothes. So right here I have tops, then I have my pants right here. Above I have my jeans, my bags, and then here I have some perfumes, not my entire collection, but some of them. Straight across I have my summer dresses right here, which I cannot wait to wear. I have some extra hangers right over there. And then for my shoes, I ended up going neutrals here, then darker colors, and then my winter shoes and sneakers on this side. And now for the right side of the closet, I ended up changing my jean jackets, leather jackets, blazers, sweaters, basically fall and winter right here, and then my coats right over there. And then this small section right here are just things that I honestly don't know what to do with it. I have my luggage down there, and then these two baskets. This one has sweatpants and my robe, and then this one has miscellaneous things. And then right on this corner I have my bike basket and my bike helmet. Now for the actual mom dresser, on the top right here I have my bathing suits. Tried to color coordinate it. Some handbags right here, also belts. Here I have some shoes, basically flats and sandals or like slippers. The dresser on this side has my pajamas and underwear. The one in the back is actually empty because I have more pajamas to wash and clean. Then I have just some tops and socks right here, also my bras. And the last one, I have my gym clothes slash workout clothes. But yeah, that's pretty much it on the closet transformation. I feel like it's a lot cleaner now and organized. However, I have a bunch of things that I'm going to be selling that are all outside. So yeah, pretty messy. I'm here trying to finish the video, and then I just noticed that I actually don't have an outro. So here I am making an outro. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I actually am in terrible pain right now because I think I'm gonna have to get my wisdom teeth out, or tooth, because I think it's just one. But yeah, I'm struggling, you guys. Here I am trying to make a comeback on YouTube and upload more frequently, and now I am gonna have to probably take who knows how long of a break. If you guys have any advice, please let me know in the comments below, because I truly hate the dentist. I don't know if you guys know this about me, but it's like one of my biggest phobias. Like, I cannot, just thinking about the fact that I'm gonna have to get this thing out and go under anesthesia, oh my god. Maybe I shouldn't be saying this out loud, but I haven't been in 3 years. Like, I haven't even gotten a checkup because I hate it so much. But yeah, wish me luck, and please give me some advice on getting it out, like the day of, or the things to eat, the medicine to take. Please just let me know. Anyways, with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.